this for Jeff Neal. Rachmanov will have a 2-inch reach advantage. All right, now for the intros, here's Bruce.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC welterweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, an undefeated mixed martial artist holding a perfect professional record. 16 wins, no losses. He stands 6 feet 1 inch tall, weighing in at 171 pounds. Fighting out of Kokshetau, Kazakhstan. Presenting the number 9 ranked UFC welterweight contender in the world, Shavkat Nomad Rakhmonov. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist holding a professional record. 15 wins, 4 losses. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 175 pounds. Fighting out of Dallas, Texas, presenting the number 7 ranked UFC welterweight contender in the world, Jeff Hands of Steel Neal. So the action begins. Our referee in charge, Herb Dean.
Final assignment of the night for Herbert Dean. Thank you, Pete. Shavkat Rakhmonov, I said to Joe in the weigh-in yesterday, when he flips the switch, you can see it in his eyes. And he has flipped the switch. Rakhmonov in blue, Jeff Neal out of that southpaw stance in white.
Neal's going to have to make Rakhmonov respect him right away. It will be very dangerous for Shavkat to be reckless.
Oh, right away with the head kick by Rakhmonov.
This is not where Neal wants to be. He's got to lift that underhook. He's got to create some space and distance. I know it sounds odd that you want the smaller guy to get away from the taller guy, but Rakhmonov is real good in his clinch position.
Neal with some separation now back to the center of the octagon. Good connection with the right hand by Neal. Toyo Tires, the official tire of UFC.
Neal does look bigger than he normally looks on fight night. Oh yeah, Jeff Neal's boxing is as crisp as they come, man.
He's such a sniper.
And he does it right? Everything he throws is right.
Oh, big connection for Rakhmonov.
Rakhmonov is so tall. Sometimes you forget how long he is.
Yep.
Until you see them get in there with a guy like Jeff Neal. Very good right hand by Rakhmonov.
When they're coming together, he just landed a nice right hand. There's a trip coming. Neal did a good job of recognizing that. See how Neal just takes his right hand and puts it through the middle? If Rakhmonov still tries to throw him, he's going to fall right to his back, and that'll keep Neal on top of him. So great job putting and showing him that to try to discourage him from trying to complete that takedown.
Rakhmonov just landed another good right hand behind the guard of Jeff Neal.
And for Shavkat to be landing so clean, speak to him being so accurate, because you know Jeff Neal does not make many mistakes defensively.
I believe Jeff lost his mouthpiece.
오늘 봤다냐? 네.
Even might be
네,
shot.
이겼어.
Is it? You might be right. Yes, you are right. I see it. But I don't know if Herb is...
널 이게 나는 무슨 삭들인데.
It's sitting right in the middle of the octagon. I don't know.
무난들 난 거면 이게 무난들 난
I
거.
saw it drop. I think he just noticed it now.
팔스.
Nope. I still don't think he's seen it.
나오자사.
Rakhmonov doesn't seem to mind fighting without it, that's for sure. Now Herb walking over towards that mouthpiece. Nice step on it.
Step on it to see it. Look at it. He's right next to it. I want to yell at him.
Good body shot from Rakhmonov. Nice counter from Neal.
This is very unfortunate because Rakhmonov
난 지금 4운동이기 때문에
many
이
shots
시기였으나
in their face.
And there's many chances, right?
Yeah.
Both teams trying to find a place where someone doesn't have the advantage.
Now Herb
수준이 지금.
I think. Knee to the body too.
Rachmanov hurt him bad.
뭐
Oh,
어떻게?
he cut him open. That kick, that head kick cut him open. And you know, this guy Rachmanov is so different too, because generally the fighter starts to try to mention the mouthpiece, but Rachmanov has not said anything about the mouthpiece. He doesn't care. He's just fighting. Where's your mouthpiece?
He didn't know.
Pick it up.
I didn't tell him. He
Joe
wouldn't
Rogan
know. That's so crazy.
Hey, Joe, you got two jobs now. Commentator, officiate, assistant.
야,
Rachmanov is super aggressive, too. That's what I love about him. And that's why he's got 16 wins and 16 finishes. He isn't trying to point fight out there.
No, he's an absolute killer. Nasty right hand there. And an elbow kills him into the body. Jeff Neal got stunned.
Just seems like Rachmanov's shots are doing a lot more damage thus far. And he's landing at a 60% clip in round one.
Oh, beautiful left hand.
Neal forced to
Neal's in
evade.
a little trouble.
Oh, yeah, Neil got hurt by that jab.
He stunned him.
Both sides
진짜.
in round one. This corner cam brought to you by Prime Hydrate. Now on ESPN2 at midnight Eastern.
Coach Safe told him to stop
그
chunking.
물들들이
Stop staying in the pocket. He wants him to move a little more.
That's Jeff Neal at his best. Right here. We're looking at the angles. Not
나만
standing
나는
stationary. And that's really the only way he's going to be successful against Rachmanov.
Can't stay in the pocket. Yeah.
Nice front kick up the middle. A shotgun.
A lot of good body work from Rachmanov already.
Rachmanov is good, man.
Well, we knew he was, but we're really getting confirmation. Beautiful knee to the body there.
Yeah,
Again, a lot of body work by Rachmanov. And then he lands a kick. I mean, Jeff is eating it. Then he goes up high when Jeff tries to block them.
And talking to Shavkat, he's like, I'm in the rush, maybe 2 to 3 fights, but like, he was so good. It's like, how many guys does he have to beat, right? Because how many would you really favor to beat this dude?
Well, I
He's
think
good, man.
more people need to know about him. And as I said before during this
So
one,
maybe that's what it is.
he's the guy.
Skill-wise, he's ready.
Yeah, for the educated fans, like a hardcore fan, this is the guy you want to see. But you got to sell it. And how do you sell it? You sell it by having to fight Jeff Neal.
T. Thomas, what have you seen thus far, sir?
Rachmanov fights so well in the pocket because of his exits. He doesn't fully exit. He exits about halfway, and then he just pivots and changes his angle. And by doing so, that makes Jeff turn. And when he does get a shot off, Rachmanov is able to take it much better because he's not taking it cleanly because of his exit.
Yeah, I see that, Dean. Look at him. He kind of rolls his shoulders. And when Jeff tries to enter too fast, he just drops his shoulder and meets him shoulder to shoulder. He doesn't let Jeff Neal get a full target.
Rachmanov raising the guard nicely defensively there.
And he's almost calm, like he's sparring.
Yeah.
You know, like the kind of demeanor, the way he's moving around. Oh, good combo by Jeff Neal. Good left hand by Neal. Neal's keeping him honest.
Those are big shots by Jeff. Those are shots that usually put people down, though, right, Joe? John, he usually puts you up with
No
those big
doubt.
shots. I wonder what that's
Good
doing to him.
uppercuts. I think Neal's taking a lot of punishment to the body. I think he's wearing it right now.
And he's doing pretty good at landing because he's such a good boxer.
Yes.
But he can't keep Shavkat off of him.
Oh, another knee to the body.
Right on the belt line.
Shavkat's just punishing that body.
And the blood starting to become an issue increasingly in that left eye of Neal. Sony Pictures movie 65 million years ago. Humans discovered prehistoric Earth, only in theaters Thursday.
Again, up the middle with a front kick. A Shavkat just misses that knee.
Big deep breath and reset from Jeff Neal.
Again to the body. I mean, he is just constantly.
Nice right hand.
Good shots by Jeff Neal. They're smiling at each other.
Rachmanov seems to enjoy getting tested a little bit.
But there's a little bit of a difference, right? So Shavkat's throwing knees, he's kicking, just kind of almost boxing away.
Kaç metre?
He's
Normal?
got mixing his
Normal.
kicks if he wants to really get some chance with this guy.
Ha?
Perhaps kicking less
Şimdi
for
göz
fear of
yaptı istiyordu.
takedown.
Şimdi bana bak. Allah sıra Allah sıktı yine.
Probably a thing where he's dealing with an endurance issue here, right? If he did come in heavy, maybe he wasn't able to train enough. And you got to remember, he did pull out of this main event losing back in January because of an injury. What injury was that? How long did it take to recover? Is he fully recovered?
Neal does a good job of clearing that
Yaklaştırma
tie
hadi.
clinch, though. That's one
Arttırıyorsun.
thing he does really well. Every time Shavkat gets that tie clinch, he does a good job of turning the shoulder and clearing it.
If Neal is preserving his energy because he doesn't think he has a full gas tank, and there's a kick, it kind of makes sense that he's just sticking with boxing.
Cracking right from Rachmanov. Putting a shot inside the field there.
Neal's landing. I mean, he's giving it. He's not just taking it. I just don't feel like he's able to keep up the activity with Rachmanov.
Let's go. Hey, Jeff, it's close.
The unauthorized reproduction or distribution of this copyright work is illegal and punishable under law. Succinct message there from Saif Saud, right? Feel like they can touch him upstairs and
Well, he has been. He's been hitting them. He feels like Shavkat doesn't respect the power of Jeff Neal. And that is very dangerous.
Head kicks. Knee to the body.
good kick to the body by Neal. Can't get the right hand home. Left is
Left
true.
hand by Neal.
Combination for Neal. Rachmanov trying to wrestle now.
Yup, just got hurt bad. It's when Shavkat throws that uppercut. You are not supposed to throw lead uppercut. If he's in danger,
He's caught him on the left.
Rachmanov showing off an outstanding chin tonight under 4 minutes to go.
Yeah, he's certainly been
Bakın güzel bir şey var.
that was a nasty jab.
He seems to have recovered.
Şimdi alalım.
Safe side screaming at Jeff Neal.
Yeah, he wants him to get off
Bakın
the
gitme.
fence.
See him right now.
Bakın güzel. Bakın.
Rachmanov has yet to be able to take Jeff Neal tonight.
Jeff Neal's kick
Aa,
out
sen
the
de
fence
canım
is much
üstünde.
improved. He looks fantastic.
Let us check in with Safe Side in the corner of Jeff Neal.
Şunu toplayın.
Now dig up. Every time you hit him with that. Rip him up. Rip him the fuck up. Rip up. Yup. Left side. Turn the underhook.
Neal looks over to his corner.
The Rachmanov, the Neal corner, maybe onto something. Shavkat maybe slowing down. Seems a little tired. That one that hurt him has really changed his approach to this third round.
Oh, nice knee from Rachmanov. Under 2.5 to go.
Oh,
Neal certainly willing to eat a shot to return to his own.
Yap.
Well, he's got to feel like he's got to close the show here, this third and final round. He got stuck back.
Neal returns fire.
Gördün mü? Hadi. Evet.
Another knee to the body. Jeff Neal's real bad shape.
And yet somehow still trying to fight off this takedown attempt.
Amazing takedown defense right there. Jeff Neal's as tough as they come.
Exactly.
He is as tough as they come. I mean, question is, you can't anymore. I mean, just that combination that he got hit with. The barrage by Rachmanov.
And not unlike Gilbert Burns against Khamzat Chimaev, this will serve to raise Jeff Neal's stock regardless of how this one ends.
Why is that telling him to work here?
Right, he may have been stalling a little bit earlier, not now.
Another knee to the body.
Final minute.
He's choking. He's choking. He's choking. Oh, he's choking. He's on it. He's on it.
Smakar arka bir